Hi guys, today we'll talk about Honor Magic 6 Pro. It's launched on January 2024. The Honor Magic 6 Pro dimensions height 6.4 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight is 229 grams and the build front and back glass are eco leather back and aluminum frame. The Honor Magic 6 Pro display it comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.8 inch with 91.6% body to screen ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120Hz and the screen brightness it has 5000 nits peak of brightness and the protection it has nano crystal shield. Let's talk about the platform of Honor Magic 6 Pro. It comes with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4. The GPU of Honor Magic 6 Pro is Adreno 750. Let's talk about the memory. It has 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and 256 by 12 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera of Honor Magic 6 Pro, it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 180 megapixel periscope telephoto with 2.5x optical zoom and it's record 4K 60fps video. The front camera is dual. First 50 megapixel wide and a TOF 3D biometric face ID recognition and it's record 4K 60fps video with front selfie camera. The battery of Honor Magic 6 Pro it's come with Seiko 5600 mAh battery and 80 watt fast wire charging and 66 watt wireless fast charging and it's for 5 watt reverse wireless charging. The common and the features it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C, Face ID, stereo speaker, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0, IP68 dust and water resistant, and emergency SOS via satellite messages and calls. The price of Honor Magic 6 Pro is $999.